Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Davi. So today I'm going to be doing soft locks, and this is going to be beginner friendly. It's an in-depth tutorial, so follow along. Okay, so for my wrapping hair, I got this from Amazon. This is the Ultra Crochet Braids Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist, and this is in the color 1B. I also purchased my locks from Amazon as well. This is the 30 inches. And yeah, so you guys can purchase those two products there. I'll have them linked down below. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I love to go ahead and separate the wrapping hair. And this basically helps me work faster. So that's what you guys are seeing me do. Also going to be combing my fingers through that wrapping hair as well. I'm installing the lock, and when I install the lock, I don't install it at the root of my hair. I install it about 1 inch in my braids, and then I go ahead and lock that in place. So after doing that, I go ahead and also add the wrapping hair, and you're also going to see that when I wrap the hair, I like to wrap it 3 times at the roots, and you will also see me loosely wrapping it as I work my way down. Yes, but that's basically it, you guys. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. I did learn from YouTube. So I thought, why not do a YouTube tutorial for beginners trying to do this hairstyle? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want me to do more hair videos, I do have hair videos on my channel. I do hair videos. This was me, guys. This is when you're done with that last strand of hair. Guys, I just love how it turned out. I styled the hair. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one.